All right, we're gonna be going through this makeup tutorial. Okay, let's get into it. We're doing it too much celebrating, it's celebratory. Okay, here we go. So we're just gonna rub this shit in, Um, you gotta take your time with stuff like this. You see, you have to get underneath your eyes, see how relax sleep at night, just dreaming and having nightmares about me surpassing her on the YouTube platform. So she doesn't get enough sleep at night. So you gotta really pat that in. This is gonna be a tutorial on what not to do. She's projecting this tutorial towards a certain audience, the people who aspire to be clowns. We just gotta pat it in, I personally know a lot about makeup. I'm going to school to pursue makeup, so I can judge this video with precision and accuracy. You gotta catch the size here. You gotta put that on the sides because that mountain is a bitch. You have to even out your facial tone. My dog's in the background. They know what's going on in this video and are highly upset. Look at the technique she uses to do the eyebrows. You see, the face is like a canvas. The makeup is the paint, and your brushes are your different, paint brushes. And art takes time. That's why women usually take hours and hours in the bathroom preparing to get ready. This video is 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So we're just gonna, catch the eyes right there. Yeah, you're fucking up. You're fucking up. Okay. So, yeah, you gotta take your time with the eyelashes. I feel like the eyelashes really complete the look. Of course, you just gotta catch the size there. Of course, even it out. Again, I am a professional. What the fuck was that? I am a professional with makeup. I know a lot about it. I can really judge this video, and the emotions I'm feeling right now are that of pure just anger, because these tools aren't being used right. Okay, now let's see what's next. She's celebrating like we're doing this correctly. Right, the lips. You have to get the lips right. You have to pick a nice color, a color that really goes with you. I feel like the lips also complete the look. So you can't really afford to fuck that up, And it seems like we didn't already fucked up completely. And as she flaunts in front of the camera like we're doing a good job here. Of course, brush the hair. The Negro hair is a very complex organism in and of itself. And here is the finished product of just what the fuck was this? I might quit after this. What the fuck? Fuck you too.